A&M University campus. Now this campus is one of the largest campuses in the country. It has over 200 buildings on main campus alone. That's not even including our West campus. Now this means that there is a need for an autonomous guide system at a campus such as this one, although VALE can be implemented in other areas. One of our professors brought this project to us and we worked on it throughout an entire year to create a well-rounded product that can travel around this campus using a magnetometer, a GPS, and a Google API map system. We also implemented speech recognition to be able to communicate with the user. This is VALE in action. VALE is currently navigating across Texas A&M University campus. VALE is going between the Zachary Education Engineering Complex and the Richardson Petroleum Engineering Building. Now this is but a small portion of the much longer, larger navigation process, but as you can see, VALE is driving forwards and is making corrections in response to the information is being given through its map system. Now, VALE will also be correcting on the sidewalk to ensure that VALE does not go off of the sidewalk. So you will see the robot correct towards the left as it gets closer to the right edge of the sidewalk itself.
Now, every university has signposts, garbage cans, and people in the way. Texas A&M University is no exception to this rule. This is why one of our robot's primary functions is obstacle avoidance. Now this utilizes a sick LiDAR to maneuver the robot around obstacles and continue on its path.
In this video, you can once again see the robot navigating. As you can see, the robot approaches a person, and upon seeing the person in the way, the robot moves out of the way. Now this is what utilizes the SICK LiDAR. The LiDAR is used to scan the environment and then for obstacle avoidance, to prevent any damage from coming to the robot.
VALE, our autonomous guide robot, is great for universities like this, Texas A&M University. These campuses are huge, and VALE is perfect for getting around. VALE can also be used for large companies such as Google, Pixar, can be used for amusement parks, getting around hospitals, movie sets. Anywhere that you have somewhere you need to be, VALE can get you there.